Hi everybody, I'm here celebrating with my dad. It's actually his birthday. So, and we're using a
Jamaican Dutch pot.
which my dad built like a little thing around it, so that it rests right on it. So you can see it's got the coal in there, and we got some fish cooking in there. Let me see if he opens it up. Oh, you can see the coal in there. See, put a little grill on the top there. And now take a look inside for the fish right there. See? It's cooking. These are pretty nice. Hey, you can have it and use it if power's out or anything. Plus it tastes really good with the coal. I know that in Jamaica they cook a lot with this. So anyway, just wanted to show you while I'm here enjoying my day with my dad. God bless everybody.